How to hide Snapchat notification or how to turn off Snapchat notifications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet and today I'll guide you on how you can hide the Snapchat notifications. The process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Snapchat and head into your profile. You'll find the profile tab at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the right hand side at the top right of your screen. Once you tap on settings, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option that says notifications right here. You can see notifications option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see various notifications. You'll be able to see Bitmojis notification and dream suggestion notification, memories notification, message reminders and such. Now, how you can turn it off? You can see the box there. If you tap on the particular option there, the check mark will be either there or it'll be removed. So if you tap on it and if the check mark there is enabled, then it means that the notification for that option is enabled. If you tap on it and if there is no check mark, if the box is empty, then the notification is disabled. You'll be able to see various notification options. Now, if you want to turn off all the notification, the whole notification for Snapchat, you don't want to get any notification on your notification bar, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead into settings, right? You want to head into settings on your device, scroll down and head into the option that says apps. Under apps, you want to locate or find Snapchat. So you can search for it and then tap on Snapchat. Here you'll be able to see notification option. Tap on it and then simply see allow notification option. You want to toggle it off and all the notification will be turned off. You want to make sure that it's disabled. If we turn it on, then it means it is enabled. So this way you can turn off the Snapchat notification. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.